question comes quietly, almost shy. Who am I? What can God possibly do with someone like me? The gospel today answers without raising its voice. It simply tells a story. Crowds come from everywhere, not the powerful, not the polished, from Galilee, Judea, Idumea, from places nobody boasts about. They come sick, they come desperate, they come pushing through dust and sweat just to touch him. Jesus feels the pressure of human needs so strongly that he asks for a boat, not for comfort, but so he is not crushed by the longing. Demons recognize him, shout his name, and he silences them. Extraordinary power stands before the world. Then, unexpectedly, Jesus walks uphill, away from the crowd, away from applause, and he calls, not the impressive, not the educated, not the religious elite. He calls 12. Fishermen with rough hands, a tax collector with a dirty past, a zealot with violence in his history, men who would argue, fail, panic, deny, and run. Ordinary men. The gospel says it simply. He called those he wanted, not those who were ready, not those who were worthy, those he wanted. And first, he does not send them, he keeps them, that they might be with him. Before preaching, before miracles, before casting out demons, with him. Because transformation does not begin with skill, it begins with closeness. There is a man in India named Dashrath Manji, poor, illiterate, invisible to society. His wife died because there was no road to the hospital. So he picked up a hammer and a chisel. One man, one mountain. For 22 years, people laughed, engineers mocked, officials ignored him. Every day, one strike, then another, then another. When he finished, a mountain was cut open. A 55-kilometer journey became 15. 60 villages found life. Ordinary hands. Extraordinary persistence. God works like that. Not all at once, not through noise, but through faithfulness. Your mountain may not be stone. It may be a habit that won't break, a prayer that feels unanswered, a family wound that refuses to heal, a fear that keeps returning. God does not ask you to move it today. He asks you to lift the hammer. One prayer, one act of forgiveness, one moment of courage, one quiet service. The apostles did not build the church in a day. They stayed, they learned, they failed, they returned, and the Spirit did the rest. The gospel is not telling you to be extraordinary. It is telling you to stay close. Stay with him. Let him choose you again today. Let him use your ordinary. Because when ordinary people remain with Jesus, the world slowly begins to change. One stroke at a time.